Hi guys, and welcome to the Voice of AI. I'm Chris, and today is our follow-on from our Introduction to AI video, which incidentally you can still click the link above right now to access it if you missed it. Today we'll be looking at AI and productivity, and I'll be joined again by my AI avatar team, AI Amy, Avatar Amelia, and Digital David, to help us explain our chosen topic. So let's have a quick look at the agenda for this video. Amy, could you please run it by us?
Yes, of course, Chris. Great to see everyone. Welcome to an introduction to productivity and AI, looking at the challenges and opportunities. Here are today's topics: getting the max, AI and upgrading productivity, examples of AI, the benefits of AI for productivity, the importance of human-AI collaboration, ethical considerations, and the future of productivity powered by AI. So let's get straight into it and over to David.
Thank you, Amy. What about productivity and getting the max? Of course, productivity is all about getting the maximum output and business value from available inputs like time, money, resources, and talent. It's a measure of efficiency. The importance of productivity is all about producing more with less, boosting profit margins and competitiveness. High productivity enables faster growth by doing more with existing resources, and strong productivity lifts revenues, market share, and valuations. Let's highlight common productivity challenges. Repetitive and mundane tasks like data entry, customer service queries, report generation waste time that could be better spent. Information and data overload makes it hard to identify insights and patterns. Process bottlenecks like manual handoffs between systems or departments cause delays. Invoice approvals can take days due to paperwork, and lack of insights for decision-making reduces the quality and impact of choices. These challenges impose real costs in time, money, and lost opportunities. Addressing them is key for business performance. This is where AI can be fully utilized. All this leads us to following. Over to Amelia.
Thank you, David. Let's now take a look at AI and upgrading productivity. AI is perfect for getting rid of tasks that cost us time. For instance, automating repetitive and mundane tasks like data entry using optical character recognition and natural language processing. Customer service queries handled by virtual assistants, and report generation through natural language generation. This automation frees up human time for more strategic work. AI can generate insights from data through various techniques such as predictive analytics to forecast sales, detect fraud, and model scenarios. Sentiment analysis to identify trends in customer feedback. And optimization algorithms to find most efficient processes. These insights enhance data-driven decision-making. AI is perfect for improving workflows and processes via intelligent process automation bots handling manual tasks. Computer vision for quality control and inspection. This all streamlines operations end-to-end. AI can provide personalized recommendations like content recommendations based on user preferences, tailored product offerings based on past purchases, and optimized pricing tailored to customers. This customization drives engagement and conversion. AI can enhance creativity by exploring new concepts and designs using AI generative models, producing iterations faster based on predictive feedback, and scaling creative team through AI assistance. All of this accelerates innovation speed and impact. Let's take a look at a few examples of AI productivity with Amy.
As Amelia says, let's now investigate examples of AI for productivity. Firstly, intelligent assistants are extremely helpful. Siri and Alexa are voice-driven personal assistants. Watson and Call Annie are examples of customer service virtual agent and virtual assistants. Products like Meyer are meeting scheduler and task automators. We can use predictive analytics for demanding forecasting and capacity planning, customer lifetime value predictions, and dynamic risk scoring engines, targeted marketing and sales campaigns. RPA, or robotic process automation bots, can manage data entry across systems, invoice processing and approvals, and customer onboarding workflows, IT support, ticketing, and triage. We can use computer vision for manufacturing defect detection, infrastructure and equipment inspections, medical imaging diagnosis, and autonomous quality monitoring. Natural language generation, like ChatGPT, can create automated sales reports and summaries, customized marketing collateral, personalized customer communications, tailored newsletters, and blog posts. And what about the benefits of AI for productivity? We can easily create increased output and efficiency by automating manual repetitive tasks and streamlining processes with no human delays. We can run predictive models in seconds versus days, operating 24/7 without downtime. Make time and cost savings through faster processing of high-volume transactions. Reduce labor expenses from automation, optimized routes and logistics planning, and lower equipment downtime through predictive maintenance. Using new capabilities such as granular insights from customer data, hyper-personalized recommendations, interactive conversational interfaces, and proactive notifications and interventions. Finally, achieving improved quality and consistency resulting from minimized human errors, automated quality control over productions, and data-driven optimization of processes.
Thank you, Amy. Now let's look at 6, the importance of human-AI collaboration. We already know that AI excels at processing high volumes of data, performing routine and repetitive tasks, making data-driven decisions with no bias, and operating continuously without breaks, whereas humans excel at strategy, creativity, and innovation, handling ambiguity and unpredictable situations, synthesizing broad contexts and goals, and social skills and emotional intelligence. And by combining these strengths, productivity grows further through, firstly, automation and human oversight, AI analysis and human interpretation, AI generation and human curation, and finally, constant learning between both. The key is to create complementing skills. You see, it's not just about replacing humans at all. Now, over to Amelia for considerations on AI ethics. Amelia.
Hi again, guys. Let's look into ethical considerations. What must we do to ensure responsibility, fairness, and privacy? Well, firstly, using data responsibly by checking for and mitigating biases, ensuring transparency in how data is used, and maintaining rigorous access controls and deleting data no longer required. We can ensuring fairness by auditing algorithms for discrimination, establishing and validating appropriate metrics, and monitor outcomes for different demographics. Then we can also protect privacy through the anonymizing of personal data where possible, encrypting sensitive information, restricting data access only on a need basis, and communicating use cases clearly. We can also monitor outcomes by establishing feedback loops, proactively checking for unintended consequences, and reviewing metrics for model drift. Now over to David.
Thank you, Amelia. Let's take a glimpse into the future of productivity, powered by AI. Now we can be cautiously optimistic that AI can free up more human time for creativity, provide insights not possible manually, continuously improve processes, and open new opportunities to add value. But it is important to create strategy and plan. We must proactively plan for workforce transitions, design educational programs, develop appropriate regulations, and maintain human oversight and control. If done correctly and thoughtfully, we will usher in a new era, empowering humans multiplied by the strengths of AI. The future is open for AI productivity. Back to Chris.
So then, to summarize, let's quickly recap how AI can help businesses boost productivity through automating repetitive tasks, generating data-driven insights, improving workflows and processes, and enhancing creativity and innovation. We have to see the massive potential in AI. However, we also need to be responsible in our development. So the call to action is this: businesses to leverage these technologies strategically to increase efficiency and value. We need to buy in, and we need to do it today. But that's actually all for today. So thanks very much for watching this video. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content and tips. And join me on the journey to unlock the potential of AI. And if you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comment section below. And I'll see you next time. All the very best. I'm Chris from the Voice of AI. Cheers and bye-bye now.